What's up, everybody? It's your boy Richard back with another video, and also do not mind my voice. I just woke up, so don't even question it. But we're gonna be doing a reaction video on the restricted restoration. Bro, honestly, I really don't know how to pronounce that. MP4. And this was made by Mob Entertainment. If you do not know who that is, it's the guy who created Poppy Playtime and Huggy Wuggy. But there's actually three of the people actually created Huggy Wuggy or Poppy Playtime. 3 people created Poppy Playtime. So yeah, we're gonna do a reaction video on the restricted. I'm gonna figure out how to pronounce that word. MP4. So yeah. Okay, guys. I think I know how to pronounce this. I think it's restoration. I think restoration. I think that's how you pronounce it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. But let's just start the video. Let's do a reaction video on the restricted restoration period MP4. Whoa, my man! What is that, Braun?
The subject is 59-year-old Thomas Clark, a full-time employee at Playtime Co. since 1955. 6 months ago, he was diagnosed with terminal lung cancer.
Okay, so I heard from this girl that Huggy died from like a cancer. I don't even know if that's what she said, but I'm assuming that's what she said. And like, bro, look at this. Look, you can see there's like Bunzo toy body. You can see his head. I don't know what that thing is, but I think it's like a mini Huggy.
Mr. Clark of Sound Mind has volunteered for this experiment.
Oh, my man. My man, what happened to Bro? What the hell? My man. My man, look at that. My man got... Bro, zoom into that. You guys seeing that? Braun looks like he has like piggy VHS tape eyes. What in the hell, man?
1199 displayed much more disorientation than we expected. Subsequent mental testing.
Is that his enclosure?
It's just conjecture on my part, but I don't believe he knows where he is or what's happened to him. To make matters worse,
I also do not know what happened to him. He literally has piggy VHS tape eyes. That dude is moving his head. Okay, he looks sad for some reason. My man, what in the hell? My man, bro, I'm pretty sure this is Braun. My man, I see PJ Pugapillar, the mini Huggies. I think this is Candy Cat. I can't tell. I think that's Candy Cat. Big Huggy, and there's like another mini Huggy. Man, what? Man, what is it? That's PJ with like white glowing eyes. Cat Bee, like I see about 2 Cat Bees and the mini Huggies. Man, that is creepy, man. Okay, guys, we're back. My damn camera had it to like just not to face like this. Instead, just face like that. But something, oh my god, what was that? What was that? What was that? Bro. Was that a hand? What was that? What is going on? Oh, my man, what in the hell happened here?
They would have killed him had the research team.
My man!
Even then, there was still significant.
Why is there blood everywhere? There's so much blood on the ground!
Namely the.
And I'm sorry about the voice. I'm so sorry about that.
12 hours in surgery to stabilize 1199.
Man, what?
Separated from the others now.
So there's Braun, but I'm assuming that's his enclosure or whatever. Or his little capsule. Alright. Man, what in... Bro, wait, what is this? Wait, hold up. Okay, guys, that was it for today. That was the restricted restoration period MP4 reaction. Man, I don't even know what I watched, man. It was about Braun having piggy VHS tape eyes. And yeah. Honestly, man, I don't know what the hell I watched, but you know what? That was my entertainment reaction for ya. But you know what, guys? That was it for the video. Bye-bye. Peace out. There's not gonna be like a ending. I don't know how you say it, but you know what? I'm just gonna cut the camera and just gonna say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I've said it like already, twice already. Bye.